Lalitya Quiz Contest.
So guys, welcome back, and I'm here on our terrace. Hope you enjoyed the scenery behind, the buildings, the mountains, clouds and sky, and it's wonderful. And now we are not here to look at the scenery. We are here to play quiz. So we have both of our participants ready with their pieces of paper and pen and everything and their mind.
Yes.
So are we ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
So let us begin. Let us. Oh yeah. Before we start, you should know there are 6 rounds. Each round will contain a set of different questions. I will give you the instructions or the pattern on how you will have to answer the questions. So here we go. The round one is take your pick. In this round, there will be 3 questions asked to each participant. The first question will have 3 options, second question will have 4 options, and third question will have 5 options. In all 3 cases, only one is the correct answer. You have to tell me what it is. You can earn up to 5 points for each question, so it is 15 points up for stake in this round. Are we ready?
Yes, by all means.
So, who should we begin with?
Sujata.
Sure, why not? Your first question is, which planet has 2 tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos? कोणत्या ग्रहाला फोबॉस आणि डायमॉस नावाचे छोटे छोटे चंद्र आहेत 2? मार्स, जुपिटर or युरेनस?
It's a Mars.
What do you think?
Think Uranus.
No, it is Mars. You're absolutely right.
Thank you.
Phobos and Deimos are very small moons, if you would call them moons. They are much like odd potato-shaped asteroids.
Okay.
It is said that they are asteroids from the asteroid belts which were kicked by Jupiter's gravity and caught by Mars's gravity.
Wow.
By the way, just so you know, Deimos is moving away from Mars and Phobos is moving towards Mars. It is stated that Phobos might crash into Mars or he will be ripped apart into a ring system. Okay, now second question. Mandukya, Taittiriya and Chandogya are what? Veda, Upaved, Upanishad or Puran?
Repeat question.
Yeah. मांडुक्य,
Mandukya.
तैत्तिरीय आणि चांडोग्य हे काय? वेद, उपवेद, उपनिषद का पुराण?
It's a Upanishad.
What do you think?
Correct.
Upanishad is the right answer.
Thank you.
All of these 3 are Upanishads. The Qing dynasty, Qing, Qing dynasty that fell in 1912 was the last dynasty of which country? Qing dynasty जी 1912 मध्ये
पडली.
संपली
हां.
ही कोणत्या देशाची शेवटची डायनास्टी होती?
म्हणजे काय राजघराणं
हां.
राजशाही. अच्छा.
कोरिया,
हां.
चायना, मंगोलिया, व्हिएतनाम का जपान?
Tell the dynasty name.
किंग, QING, किंग.
Repeat the option.
कोरिया,
Korea.
चाइना, मंगोलिया, वियतनाम और जापान?
It's a Korea.
कोरिया. What do you think?
No, I do not know. Maybe Vietnam.
No, both of you are wrong. It is China.
Oh.
In 1912, the Republic of China, the Republican forces, there was a civil war, and the Republican forces were able to defeat the dynasty, and that was the end of dynasty rule in China.
Bapre.
Various different dynasties had ruled China since more than 2000 years.
Wow.
So that was the end of China, and also this marked the only time China was a republic.
Acha.
But soon after, there was another civil war, and the People's Party of China, it took over, won the civil war. So you get 10 points out of 15.
Thank you.
Yeah, we have our second participant. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Who wrote the Marathi play Natasamrat? P.L. Deshpande, V.P. Kale, or V.V. Shirvadkar?
V.V. Shirvadkar.
What do you think?
Yes, correct. He's
It is
correct.
the absolutely right answer. Second question. It is called soft in Hindi. What do you call it in English? Fenugreek, lichen, fennel, or cumin?
Cumin.
Cumin. What do you think?
No, it's fennel.
Fennel is the right answer. Both of them do look very identical. Fenugreek म्हणजे मेथी, lichen म्हणजे दगडफूल, फेनेल म्हणजे बडीशेप आणि क्युमिन म्हणजे जिरं.
हां जिरं जिरं.
So you don't get points for that. No problem. Your third question. What do you do with a jumper? तू जम्परशी काय करशील? Use it as a jumping rope. Jump on it. Wear it. Give a shock with it. Or break rocks with it.
Jump the rope.
Use it as a jumping rope.
Yeah.
What do you think?
No. Jump.
Jump on it.
Yes, yes.
No, the right answer is wear it. A jumper is an informal name for a sweater.
Ooh, sweater.
So, you don't get points for that. And you have got 5 points out of 15.
Good.
So, guys, that concludes round 1. Take your pick. Now we shall have round 2. What's the question? In this round, I shall give you the answer. You give me the question.
Yes.
There are 10 points for each question and 3 questions. So, you can earn 30 points. Let us begin. Are you ready?
Yes.
Filial cannibalism. Filial cannibalism.
What you call that people used to eat other people?
No, I will not take
flesh,
that.
flesh. Eat
I will
flesh.
not take that. Do you have any idea?
No.
Filial cannibalism means what do you call, mostly it occurs in animals, not in humans. What do you call animals eating their own children?
Ooh.
It is quite common with crabs. Often crabs give birth to thousands of crabs.
Bapre.
So the parents will eat the children.
Their
It's a
kids,
very
okay.
disturbing thing, but it is
Yeah.
indeed
in
a
the
true
nature,
thing.
it's
So
nature.
that is called filial cannibalism.
Okay.
Your second answer is he was the only acting prime minister of India. Sorry guys, I have a horrible cold.
Repeat the answer.
He was the only acting prime minister of India.
Prime Minister Manmohan Singh.
No.
What?
No, not at all.
Are
Do you have
Atal
any?
Bihari Vajpayee.
No. Do you have any idea?
Acting Gujarat.
Gulzari Lal Nanda.
Yes, Gulzari Lal Nanda was I was
Nanda.
hoping for. Who was Gulzari Lal Nanda? Gulzari
Okay.
Lal Nanda on 2 occasions was
Yeah.
the prime minister, but he was acting.
Wow.
Yeah, so just there, like not a proper prime minister, like after voting and all. So that was it. You don't get points for that. The third answer is its name was Flyer.
Flyer.
Flyer. Flyer.
His name is Flyer.
Its name is Flyer.
Its name is Flyer. What you call Superman's which jacket he wear?
That is called a cape.
Ha, yes.
No, that is not the answer. Definitely
तो
not.
उड़तो ना ते घालून.
No.
Flyer. It's just like fly, machi. What you call the wings of
You just
flights.
call them wings. You gave the answer in the answer question. So, would you
No
like to try?
idea.
Not for points.
No, I do not know.
What was the name of Wright brothers' first heavier than air
मला
aircraft's
वाटलंच.
flight?
Right.
So you don't get points for that. And
Okay.
now let us move on to our second participant. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Pull this out. Yeah, we are ready. He has the record for the best bowling figures on Test debut.
Who is Courtney Walsh?
No,
No idea.
no idea. Who is Narendra Hirwani?
Oh.
Narendra Hirwani
Yeah,
on his
he took-
debut
ऐकलं
took
तर ना.
16 wickets
16,
for
17 wickets.
136 runs.
Yeah.
It was a record and still is a record even after 30 or 40 years.
Wow.
Your second answer is she was the first woman to receive a Nobel Prize.
Who was Marie Curie?
Marie Curie is the right answer. In 1903, she won the prize for physics. Leverett. Leveret. Leverett.
No idea.
No idea.
What you call Swiss chocolate?
No.
Me-
That is Toblerone.
मी आणते ना ते मोर मधनं चॉकलेट
That is
लेवरेट
Toblerone.
नाही ना ते असतं नाही कसं लंब लंब छोटस लेवरेट
त्यातले असे तुकडे असतात. Okay, basically what I was looking for is a young hare.
यंग हेअर
Hare म्हणजे ससा.
ओ ओके ओके
A
लेवरेट
young hare is called a
त्या
liverette.
चॉकलेटचं वेगळं नाव असतं
Not at all related to
Oh.
livers, chocolates, or anything of that sort. So you get 10 points.
लिवोट नाव असतं त्या चॉकलेटचं.
So guys, that concludes round 2. What's the question? Now let us have round 3, mixed bag. In this round, I will ask 5 questions, and the participants, have to write the answer down on a piece of paper.
Yes.
Each question carries 10 points, and you'll have approximately 15 seconds to think and write
Okay.
down the answer. So are we ready?
Yes. नाव नाही लिहिते 1 नंबर 2 नंबर.
Which ruler was Shah Jahan's great grandfather? And 15 seconds are up. We have Humayun, we have Akbar. One of you is right, one of you is wrong. Shah Jahan's father was Jahangir. Jahangir's father was Akbar. Akbar's father was Humayun. So the answer is Humayun. You get points for that. Congratulations. Akbar was his grandfather. With which planet would you associate the Cassini division? Cassini division हे कोणत्या ग्रहाशी संबंधित आहे? Start writing your answers now. Okay, so 15 seconds are up. We have Jupiter. We have Saturn. One of you is right, one of you is wrong. It is Saturn. Cassini space probe. Cassini, in fact, was also the name of a scientist. After him, the Cassini division was named. Actually, between the A ring and B ring of Saturn, there is around a 4,000 kilometer gap that is named as Cassini division. Earlier, it was thought that the rings of Saturn are continuous. However, this mission proved that it was wrong. So you get points for that. Congratulations. Your third question is the Comedy of Errors. The Comedy of Errors is a play written by whom? So guys, 15 seconds are up. We have
George Bernard Shaw.
George Bernard Shaw. We have Shakespeare. One of you is right, one of you is wrong. It is Shakespeare. William Shakespeare wrote the play Comedy of Errors. It is often thought that this is Shakespeare's shortest play.
Wow.
Your fourth question. What state of matter is Earth's inner core? पृथ्वीचं जे इनर कोअर आहे सर्वात आतला भाग एकदम आतला भाग ते तो कोणत्या स्थितीत आहे सॉलिड लिक्विड गॅस प्लाझ्मा जे
Okay.
15 seconds are up. We have a liquid, we have plasma. Very creative answers. I'm afraid both of you are wrong. It is solid.
Oh, नाही
It
ना,
might
लावारच
seem-
असतो रे.
It might seem it is liquid because the mantle and outer core are liquid. However, due to immense pressure and iron and nickel, the inner core of Earth is not a liquid, it is a solid. So, it is not a very obvious answer. Your final question is, how many species of polar bears are found in Antarctica? In Antarctica or the southern hemisphere. पूर्ण अर्धा जो खालचा गोलार्ध आहे पृथ्वीचा
बर्फाचा
त्याच्यात
तो, हा.
पोलार बेअरच्या किती स्पीशीज सापडतात खालचा गोलार्ध स्टार्ट रायटिंग युअर आन्सर्स नाव पूर्ण So 15 seconds are up. We have 15. We have 3. Both of you are wrong. It is 0.
Oh.
Polar bears are not found in southern hemisphere.
अरे तिथेच असतो ना
It's northern hemisphere.
Polar bears, much like nuclear weapons, are only found in northern hemisphere. To be
Yeah.
strict, only in the Arctic. In
I know
Antarctica, you would have penguins, you
हाँ,
will have
अरे
moss,
okay.
you will have some other interesting birds, but no polar bears.
पोलर बिअर ध्रुवीय असतो ना तो. अरे काय.
So, you don't get points for that. No one
Nice
gets
question,
points for
but
that.
interesting
So
question.
guys, that concludes round 3 mixed bag. Now we shall have round 4 vocabulary. In this round, I shall ask you a question and the question itself will contain the instructions. You have to do as you are directed and give me the answer. You'll have around 10 seconds of thinking time and you have to hit the buzzer. This is a buzzer round. There are 10 questions, 10 points for each question, 5 questions. So you can earn 50 points. Are we ready?
Yes.
Rearrange the letters in the word sale. Sale as in an off on price. Sale. To get an animal. Start thinking. One, two, three, go.
Lais. Lais.
No.
Seal. SCAL.
Sale as in the often a price is SALE.
SALE,
Sale SAIL is what you'd find on a ship.
Right.
So you don't get points for that.
Yes.
Second question. Rearrange the letters in the word teach as in what a teacher does. To get something which you should not do.
Which you should not do.
एक, 1, 2, 3, go.
No.
No idea, it is cheat.
Cheat. Okay.
CHEAT, cheat. You should not
Nice.
cheat.
Interesting question.
Third question. Rearrange the letters in the word meal as in dining, lunch, dinner, breakfast, meal to get a word which means boring. Start thinking. One, two, three, go.
LEAM. Leam.
No. Would you like to try? I was looking for lame. LAME. Lame.
Oh, lame.
No one gets points right now after 3 questions. Generally, vocabulary is a very scoring round. Fourth question. Read the word war as in a battle backwards to get a word which means uncooked. Start thinking. Taha. 1, 2, 3, go.
RAW. Raw.
Yeah, you're right. Read the word refer. Refer. Refer to read. Backwards to get a word which means look up.
Repeat this.
Read the word refer. 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 As in you could say read. To get a word which means look up. Read it backwards. Start thinking. 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah.
Refer.
Refer, it
Fish.
is.
No,
R-E-F-E-R,
atlas
R-E-F-E-R.
मला वाटलं
Refer when read reverse is also refer.
मला वाटलं काहीतरी
So
कठीण
this
असणार
was
आहे.
like literally free points.
Okay.
By the way, an interesting fact for you guys, a word which can be read forward and backward, it's the same. You call such a word palindrome. Like the word race car or deed. There are many such words. You can think of more. So guys, I think it is time we take a break. During the break, do enjoy the space information given by one of our contestants.
सुनीता. हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मी परत घेऊन आले तुमच्यासाठी स्पेसच्या गमती जमती. पण आजची जरा थोडीशी सिरियस आहे बरं का. जेव्हा ॲस्ट्रोनॉट्स चंद्रावर गेले तेव्हा त्यांच्यासमोर असा प्रॉब्लेम होता जो की त्यांना एक्सपेक्टेड नव्हता. चंद्रावरची धूळ त्यांना स्टॅटिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटीमुळे प्रचंड चिकटू लागली आणि हीच धूळ घेऊन त्यांना लुनार मॉड्यूल्स म्हणजे ज्यातून की तुमचे रिटर्न आलेले होते तर त्या लुनार मॉड्यूल्समधून वापस यावं लागलं आणि ह्यामुळे त्यांना श्वास घेण्यात प्रचंड त्रास झालेला होता. आहे की नाही गंमत? लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट.
Guys, welcome back. That time it was from here, this time it is from here. So, now let us have round 5. Speed. In round 5, let us not have speed, we'll just have confidence round. In this round, I will ask you 5 questions. You have to answer those questions. There are 5 questions for each participant. 5 into 10 is 50 points in this round. So, are you ready?
येस.
Yeah. In which state or union territory would you find India's only active volcano? Not trying?
नॉट
Not trying.
Lakshadweep.
No, it is Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Andaman.
In Andaman and Nicobar, you will find barren islands. It is the only active volcano in India. You do have quite a few extinct ones like Deccan Tracks. Okay. Which actress had a cameo in Bade Miyan Chote Miyan? Sridevi or Madhuri Dixit?
माधुरी दीक्षित.
Absolutely right. Which festival was it on the day of Jallianwala Bagh massacre?
ऑप्शन.
No. Guys, just so you know, there are 5
Baisakhi.
questions. Yes, you are right. There are 5 questions. Second and fourth question will have options.
ओके ओके.
Tongue is almost completely made up of muscles. I'm serious or joking?
सिरियस.
Yes. Claustrophobia is the fear of what?
Claustrophobia.
Claustrophobia.
Claustrophobia. It's a phobia of spider.
No, that is arachnophobia. Would you like to try?
No, I don't know.
Phobia of the question.
No, claustrophobia is something which you should definitely not have here. Claustrophobia is the fear of confined spaces. म्हणजे
Okay.
एकदम अशा छोट्याशा
अरुंद
जागेत अरुंद जागेत तुला
जागेची
घेऊन
भीती.
गेलो
लिफ्टची
मी.
भीती.
लिफ्टची भीती हा.
Okay.
In a lift or in a cave, a tunnel, many such things. That is a claustrophobia. You got 3 correct, so that is a score of 30.
Thank you.
Sorry guys. Now let us have our second participant. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Out of which metal is the wire in a bulb made?
Tungsten.
Absolutely right. The Congo Free State was owned by King Leopold II of which country? France or Belgium?
France.
No. What? Whose sons are Jesse, Huckleberry, and Marmaduke?
Don't know.
Not trying. Would you like to try?
क्रिस गेल हे आपलं बेअर
Bear Grylls
Bear
is the
Grylls.
right answer. No problem.
बेअर ग्रिल.
Sorry guys.
Your
Ram
favorite.
was Dashrath's eldest son. I'm serious or joking?
Serious.
Yes. Who won the first FIFA World Cup?
It's Chile.
No.
Chile,
Would
no,
you like to
you're
try?
right. Yeah.
It was yeah.
I have phobia of that question.
Yeah.
नाही ना.
Questionचा
It is
phobia
Uruguay.
त्याला काय म्हणतात?
Yeah, Uruguay.
It was hosted by Uruguay and won by Uruguay.
First-
There were only 9
First two
nations
were won
competing.
by Uruguay.
Yeah. It was hosted in Uruguay. There were 9 countries and 3 stadiums.
क्वेश्चनचा फोबियाला काय म्हणतात? त्या रोगाचं
I think I will put that question in the next edition.
वाव.
So now let us have final round, round 6. What's the word?
Yes.
In this round, I will ask each participant 6 questions. There will be some answers to the 6 questions, and you have to note down the first letter of the answer. The 7th question will be what's the word. You have to string all those 6 together, give them in the order they came in, and bang, you have the answer. And there are 10 points for the questions, so you can earn 70 points in this round. Are you ready?
Yes. How many questions?
7 questions.
7. Moment.